Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mazda CX-9 Touring. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 56,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, rear parking sensors, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.